Another segment that we have, I guess it's our last segment that we have, is called recommended resources. And that's, do you have any resources that you recommend to help us grow ourselves and or our businesses?
Okay. Well, I'm an avid reader, love to read. I'd already showed you the Ideal Team Player. I do happen to have some books that I would recommend that have helped a lot. So the Ideal Team Player, already been there. It's Okay to Be the Boss.
Ooh, I haven't read that.
Bruce Tolgan. Step-by-step guide to becoming the manager your employees need. Your employees need direction. They want direction. It's like if you're a parent, you got kids. It's kind of like how to be a parent to your employees.
I like that. Yeah.
We also on the forums, I think there was somebody posted the other day that his employees want things done a certain way. And, how do you handle that? And I'm like, well, you're the boss. You tell them how you're going to handle it. What's best for your business? You're the boss. Don't let them be telling you how to do things. You're the one, you learn the business. You tell them this is how we're going to do it because that's what's best for the business. Okay. So I'm still working on this one.
I love that book.
3/4 of the way through. Never split the difference.
Yeah.
Negotiate. Depends on it.
I've heard that one like 3 times.
The one I meant to start off with, the Bible. Coin Laundries, The Road to Financial Independence. Emerson Higdon, an oldie but a goodie. It's hard to find. Can find it on Amazon, Goodwill stores. We have 2 copies. Steve marks up his copy. I mark up mine. But this was written, I think, the 1990s is the most recent. Oh, look, Steve's notes. He even stamped it with his engineering stamp. There you go.
Like, this one's mine.
This is his copy. Mine's buried back there, but his is easy to get to. This is a gold mine of information. This tells you exactly, just step by step, how to do stuff. Now, given we'll step back. I think it was written in the 90s. It was the latest update on it. Top loaders were prevalent. So
principles, not details.
Yeah. So the general gist of it, but keep in mind when it was written and how the equipments have changed. We went to HE machines, right? High efficiency, lower water usage machines.
Right.
So keep that in mind when it talks about assessing financials and sizing your water, stuff like that. But anyway, that is a gold mine as far as location and how to. So I don't know if you had that one or not. If you've ever.
No, I don't.
But, oh my gosh. Yeah, that one's amazing. 1-page marketing plan. If you're not really into marketing books, this is a summary of about 4 other really well-known marketing books. I actually listened to the audiobook and then I bought the paper copy so I could mark it up. So this is this is a summary of, and he actually talks about which books he's liberally taken ideas from, maybe. Awesome book. All right. Next up, a classic, E-Myth Revisited.
Love it.
How to work on your business, not in your business. Write down processes, create a team. Another classic, 7 Habits, Highly Effective People.
Love that book too.
Yeah, I struggle daily with putting everything into place that I read from novels. Love him or hate him, he did write the book. Trump, the deal.
I loved that book. I listened to the audio of that one, and I loved the book. Just the mind behind. I thought it was great.
Yeah,
I did it before he was president, but
exactly. Yeah, whether you love
a good book.
Him, the guy has made several fortunes, so he knows what he's doing. Speaking of which, also, whether you like or hate Walmart, Walmart is not the Walmart it was back in Sam Walton's day, but Sam Walton's biography, Made in America, how he would go visit his stores just incognito, just dressed as Sam Walton, and go to his competitor stores and see what they're doing that's working for them and what's not working for them, and then incorporated that into the Walmart stores. Fun fact, early 90s, I think it was, I actually interviewed at the corporate headquarters in Bentonville for an IT position. And because my mom was still alive and lived back that direction. And I was thinking about moving back there from Wichita, but I decided against it. But it would have been a great opportunity. I decided that was not the right fit for me, the 45-hour standard work week and manager meetings mandatory on Saturday mornings. And I was like, even then, I wanted to work for myself. I don't want that much effort into making somebody else rich. So, and then Ray Kroc's book that he wrote himself, Grinding It Out, the movie The Founder that Michael Keaton was in is based off this book. There's another book that's about McDonald's, whether you love or you hate their stuff, the business rocks. So there's another book about McDonald's business. I can't remember what it is, but it's over there on the shelf. But anyway, anything about their business models, Chick-fil-A, stuff like that. What are other people doing that works? Mm-hmm. What's making it work?
Yeah. And just
don't be Blockbuster, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Pay attention to the changes and the times.
Yeah, absolutely. So I will link to all of those books. So if you want to go check out one or all of those books,